As a retailer, keeping up with the demands of your customers and the trends they follow is an ongoing struggle. Your customers want to know, do you have what I want? Does it meet my needs? Most importantly, can I buy it now? Where and when can I get it? And the only thing standing between those questions and the answers is a piece of technology with access to accurate, real-time data. Take an online shopping, for example. When there's no real-time inventory visibility, here's what happens. A customer places an order for a product that's already out of stock. They receive confirmation, but later found out the order was canceled. So what they do, they shop somewhere else. And this isn't hypothetical. It actually happened to me recently as a customer. And that's just one example. There are countless problems caused by the inability to access key operational data in real time. But in the end, it all leads to the same place, not just a lost sale, but something far more painful and expensive to recover from: damaged brand perception and a gradual erosion of customer loyalty. But how is it possible that this still happens nowadays?
Modern retail systems are often hindered by the fundamental problem that is siloed data. This isn't just about separate departments, it's about deeply ingrained legacy systems and their rigid data structures. These traditional systems weren't built for today's dynamic interconnected data needs. The critical first step towards true modernization and innovation is breaking down these silos and creating an environment where the data could be accessed instantaneously across multiple systems and freeing the data from these rigid structures.
So connecting that data is absolutely critical. But why? And more importantly, what's the path to solving it?
To meet rising customer expectations in modern retail, connecting data is essential. Customers expect a seamless, personalized experience across all brand touchpoints, online, in-store, and social media. Siloed data makes it difficult to gain the real-time 360 view of the customer. A frustrated customer generally results in missed opportunities and inconsistent messaging. Without a complete understanding of customer preferences, anticipating the needs and offering relevant information is impossible. Solving data silo issues requires a unified commerce strategy. This isn't just about integration of different systems, it's an operational shift that puts customer in the middle of all processes. It means breaking down barriers between your sales channels, inventory management, customer surveys, and marketing data. Making this information available in real time improves customer experience. Access to real-time customer information results in consistent, personalized experiences with optimized inventory and empowers the store associates with necessary customer service information. It's about creating a truly cohesive retail ecosystem that benefits both your business and as well as customers.
So how do we move from frustration to modernization? It starts by rethinking the foundation of your retail architecture. A unified commerce strategy doesn't just need access to data, it needs the right architecture to deliver that data in real time, across every channel, for every use case. That's exactly where the operational data layer, or ODL, comes in. An ODL acts as a central layer that integrates, synchronizes, and delivers the most current version of your operational data, regardless of where its original lives. It's not about replacing all your systems overnight. It's about creating a real-time, trusted view of your business that sits within your backend systems and the applications that need to serve customers. And when it comes to build a flexible, real-time, AI-ready ODL, MongoDB is built for this. MongoDB allows you to ingest, model, and serve data the way your business operates, not the way the legacy systems demand. Why? Because whether you're working with product catalogs, customers' profiles, inventory data, store location, or pricing logic, you can manage it all in one place. Thanks to the document model's flexible schema, it adapts to the shape and reality of each siloed dataset you bring into the ODL. So instead of struggling with fragile integrations, you move faster. You innovate with confidence, but what does innovation actually look like today? As modern workloads demand real-time insights and AI-native architectures, The need for scalable, low latency, and AI-ready infrastructure is driving a massive shift across industries. And that shift isn't just about adding new tools, it's about rethinking the foundation of how your business accesses and activates data. With native support for vector search, semantic retrieval, and embedded stored alongside operational data, MongoDB helps you to build intelligent systems without extra pipelines or duplication. Everything in the system is immediately available as an embedding ready to use at scale. So you don't need to vote on intelligence later. You build on it from the start. From real-time operations to AI-native capabilities, MongoDB is the foundation for modern retail and for everything that comes next.